Hey everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamlined Legal, where we help law firms get the most out of their practice management software. What can I say? It has been a big day as far as feature releases go. And so I'm here to talk to you tonight about Lawmatics, this newest feature, and it's AI assisted email drafting, and it's pretty cool. I want to show you an example here. Hopefully it'll work. I'm super excited about it. But yeah, I think that a lot of times, as Matt Spiegel mentioned in a recent blog post, it really is a situation where we sit down and it's kind of like we don't know how to say it. We may be wordsmiths in a lot of different areas, but we don't always know how to phrase that email or to make it most appealing or to make it so our clients will pay us or to phrase it in such a way that we're just not marketers, frankly, in most cases. And so this feature really can help. So let's dive over into our Lawmatics account so that we can take a look. Oh, you know what? We're going to have to pause that for a second here as I jump into the correct account. It seems like, as far as I can tell, this is the first legal specific CRM or practice management tool that is using this technology. And so that is super exciting. Okay, so let me dive into the software here, and you'll see I'm going to go ahead and create a new email template. And so we'll go ahead and do that. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to do a plain text email so that we don't get too complicated for this example. And we're going to just call it test for now. And when I come in here to create this email, you'll see this new button right here that says help me write, right? Pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and we're going to draft a new email. Now there are some other choices once you've got some emails started or some text going, but I'm just going to start from scratch, do a new one. This is an email for my client, right? And this is where I need my client to pay me or else I can't continue representing him anymore. And of course, I'm going to be very professional about how I handle that situation. So I'm basically going to say, you need to pay your bill or I can't help you anymore. Okay, that's the gist of what I want to say to this client. So I'm going to go ahead and hit generate here. And it can take a minute or two in order to work. I will tell you that it's a brand new feature. So I've been playing with it for a few minutes here, and a couple of times I did get a warning that it was overloaded. So I'm sure a lot of us are out there trying it and playing with it. So hopefully that'll not happen too frequently. But here you go. It's popped up here. We have Dear Client. Now here's the beauty of it, right? It's actually putting in the tag to feed in my client's name, right? So that's brilliant. We hope this email finds you well. We regret to inform you if we've not received payment on your outstanding balance on your account with the firm. And again, it's going to feed in the firm name. It's got that tag there. Brilliant. Please be advised that if we do not receive payment within the next 7 days, we'll be forced to terminate our services to you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're always available to assist you with any issues. Thanks for your prompt attention. Sincerely. And then again, another tag for my law firm. Super professional. Like, I don't know if it could get much more professional. So I think this is fantastic. I mean, this is an email that I would be very comfortable with just now sending out or using as my template in order to send out to my clients. Now, just so you know, they do have some other options here. And in fact, let's see. We can ask it to rephrase the email. We can ask it to be a little friendlier. We can ask it to be more formal. I don't know, frankly, if this particular email can get that much more formal or correct any grammar and spelling. So if I'm creating my own emails and I still want it to correct my grammar and spelling, I can do that. Let's try and see. I've never tried the get friendlier, but I sure would love to see what it does. So let's give that a moment and see if it maybe softens up the tone a little bit. Okay, let's see. So that was the original one, the selected text. And then if we come down here, oh, I think it lost us. Hold on. Ah, I lost it. Let's give it one more chance here. It seems the scrolling might be a little tricky in order to find this, but let's see if we can make this happen here on live social media. Yeah, I think this is going to be huge, especially, if you have other people on your team trying to write these emails on your behalf, especially, this is a great tool for them, right? Okay, I hope you're doing great. We noticed you haven't received payment. We haven't received payment for your outstanding balance. We kindly remind you, right? As opposed to please be advised. Feel free to contact us. So it got a little softer, right? It got a little friendlier. So that's fantastic. We can go ahead and use that revised text if we want to. So go ahead, give it a try. I think this is going to be super, super helpful, especially if you're one of those type of people that just, it's getting it into action, right? Like the ideas are there for you, but sometimes it's just, you need that little push to help you take the action. And here it is in our Help Me Write beta version on Lawmatics. So I hope that's helpful for you guys. Please reach out if you have any questions, any thoughts. We'd love to hear how you're using it and how it's working out for you. Have a great evening, guys. Good night.